Hello again, Mr. RG Stuff here. Now I've got another package on the workbench, but this one's not from eBay. This is something a bit special, and I need to be very careful because I need to actually keep the box because it's going back to its owner once I've finished with it. So let's open it up and have a little look and see what we've got. Right. Okay. Let's remove the outside wrapper. Now this is, well, the box says it's a Solar 2 colour viewer, but I know it's not that. I mean, it's Photax. If you're into older camera stuff, you'll recognise the brand, you'll recognise this sort of thing. But that's just a box, it's not one of those. It's actually something a bit more familiar. So let's open it up. Right. Okay, and there we go. There is a HMV, and it's a number 5B. And this is from Chris at All My 78's, and it's his famous or infamous 5B that suffered a bit of damage in the Call of Duty. I think it got hit by the lid whilst it was being played, and it's never been the same since. And Chris has actually done a couple of videos where he sank it to pieces and actually attempted to fix it, and he did a pretty good job actually. And it's been sort of okay, but apparently it suffers quite badly from buzzing, and it's got worse. So so I said I'd have a look at it, and so what I'll do is I'll test it and see just how bad it is. I'll compare it to my number 5B, and then I'll probably take it to pieces and actually see what can be done to make it work a bit better. So anyway, thank you, Chris. That's going to be very interesting to play with, and I'll see what I can do, and then I'll pop it back in the box and get it back to you. Okay, well, I'm not going to do the full job in this video because it'll take far too long, but just before I go, I thought it's worth having a little bit closer look at it. Something that I've noticed, and Chris did mention, is that it does have a bit of a rattle. I mean, definitely shouldn't sound like that. I can't actually see anything obviously loose. Being a 5B, or being this style of soundbox, it doesn't have just one central pin. It has a sort of spider arrangement in there, which you might just be able to see through there. But when I take the top off, that's going to be easier to see. The other place that causes sort of sounds like buzzing is these are needle bar bit down here. So these sort of nuts here, if these are too loose, that'll certainly need looking at, but there's definitely something a bit more seriously wrong with it than that. Okay, well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff. Thank you.